Hey everybody, how are you tonight? I wanted to show you what we're going to be working on tonight. I have these super cute little leprechaun bait tags. I don't know if you guys have ever, when my kids were little, they were introduced to leprechaun traps at school. One of their teachers had created this shoebox with little like flaps on it that would close and just little little things that would trap a leprechaun, right? So every day the teacher would set it up. It's almost like the whole Elf on the Shelf thing. The teacher would set it up, and the little leprechaun, she'd have little footprints or whatever going up into the trap, and the little leprechaun would always get the treat and run away. And it was so like every day they were so excited to see where the leprechaun had gone, what it did, all that kind of stuff. So I have created one of the printables with little leprechaun bait tags, and super easy. All I did was I took a bag, little treat bag, or you can use a baggie too. If it's a Ziploc, just cut the top off, and I filled it with Lucky Charms, just Lucky Charms cereal, and it came with a little twist tie. I just twist tied on the top, but we're gonna do more than just twist tied. I'll show you. So basically, all I'm going to do is I'm going to take it, I'm going to cut out the printable. There's 6 on a sheet, okay? And these are available in my Fun Party Printables company. It's just CO Etsy shop. And let me push you down here for a second. And all I'm going to do is I'm going to take and very simply cut these out. And if you have a paper cutter or whatever, you can, just, they're made so that you can cut them out really simply. And I'm just gonna cut them out like so. So I have this little, this little tag. And then all I'm going to do is I'm gonna take a little hole puncher. I'm gonna punch my hole kind of in the center of it, like that. And I found actually in my Christmas stash, I have this really glittery green little piece of ribbon that I'm going to use. This is like a 2-second thing, guys, and it's so fun. So when you make these with your little ones, or you can, just give it away just for fun, just to adults. On the tag, it says, leprechaun bait. A leprechaun is small and green. He hides in places he can't be seen. But if you catch him on this day, he has to give his gold away. So these are so fun because you can put them around the house. You can make your little leprechaun trap out of a shoebox if you have some kids at home. And move it every single day, have something new happening with the leprechaun. Use the little trick or the little Lucky Charms cereal. It can be a little treat if you're using it like a classroom gift. Super easy, super cute, super easy, super fast. I mean, it took me a couple seconds really to put it together. And all I did was pour some Lucky Charms cereal in a little bag. So these are available in my Etsy shop, guys. But again, you saw how fast and easy it was to make, and very few supplies to put it all together. So have a great night, and I will see you very soon.